Well, hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm here at Bombardier Transportation on our Derby site. My name is Katie. I'm the staffing manager for UK and rest of the world. And I'm here today with James, Head of Talent Acquisition, who's here to talk about a wonderful opportunity that we currently have for a European Staffing Director. James, could you kindly tell us more about this position,
Yeah,
please?
I'd be delighted to. Thank you, Katie. We're looking for a European leader of the staffing proposition across Bombardier Transportation. We have a fairly large team of recruiters. They're multi-site, and we're servicing around 18 countries across Europe. So there's a lot of complexity, a lot of scale in terms of the deliverables. It's largely what we would call white collar, so salaried employees, around 1,800 to 2,000 hires a year.
What's exciting about this position?
I would say that firstly the team, it's a great recruiter team. A lot of innovation is currently in what I would call the hub, where we're looking to design and develop new routes to market and experiment in different ways in how we engage with some of the communities. So there's some really exciting stuff and really exciting thoughts within the recruiter team to develop some of those propositions. I would say equally we have a demanding internal stakeholder base that are looking for us to drive innovation, ultimately deliver the hires to support the project cycles. And I would say then finally, just because of the pace of the infrastructure marketplace and our business, it's very a dynamic place to work.
So what are the must-haves for this position?
I think the team leadership and team management is essential. When you have teams multi-location based right across Europe, I think the ability to communicate and be very supportive and grow and develop the teams is essential. Equally, the leadership of the team and being able to take the proposition forward from that technical competence, what I would call the craftsmanship, is equally essential, because there'll be times in terms of the role where you'll be demanded to very much zoom in to the detail and really look at some of the mechanics of what's going on within the staffing product. But then there are other times where you'll have to zoom out lots more, looking at blue sky thinking, and then articulate that into a plan and a vision for the team.
So what would you say the highly desirables?
I would say that infrastructure and the background in working in an infrastructure type of organisation with that level of complexity and the pace and the speed to support those project cycles is highly desirable. I would equally say languages would be an advantage. Obviously English is essential, but because of the nature of circa 18 countries and customers to service, it would be helpful to have a second language.
Thank you, James.
You're
Well,
welcome.
certainly sounds like a very exciting position. And if you're really excited and very interested about what you've heard today, we would certainly love to hear from you. You can apply on our Bombardier website, www.careers.bombardier.com, or please apply to the link below the Jobcast. If you feel that this position is not what you're looking for, it would be great if you were happy to share that across your networks. Thank you for your time today.